Hey guys, I completely forgot I told you I was going to make a quiz review, and so I'm doing it right at lunchtime when my kids are all kinds of tired and cranky, so I apologize in advance for the inevitable screaming you will end up hearing. However, I was going to go through this and first of all talk about finding the probability that my random variable x has a value of 3. This is the only one missing. Now, to be a probability distribution, not only are these probabilities, so they're all between 0 and 1, but they sum to 1. So I am just going to find the complement of the sum of all the given probabilities. Eloise, I'm busy. Please go to a different room.
Oh,
so when I'm making a video, you need to go, please.
Oh.
I know. So when I sum these, I get 94%. So the complement of that is 6%. So 94% of the time, those outcomes occur, which leave me with 6% of the time a 3 occurs. B is still talking about probabilities, and I'm going to first put it in my notation. I'm finding the probability that x has a value that is no more than 4. So it cannot be more than 4. It can be 4, it can be 3, 2, 1, but it cannot be more than 4. So in a notational way, I could put x is less than or equal to 4. It's the same thing as saying my random variable x is just some number less than 5. So I need to take all the probabilities and sum them together that are less than 5. So this is the probability of a 4, or the probability of a 3, or the probability of a 2, or the probability of a 1, or the probability of a 0. Now, I know that's 0.85, and I can do that pretty quickly because the other option is just saying, well, it's not 5 or 6. And since 5 or 6 sums to 15%, that leaves me with, again, the 85% to be not 5 or 6. And then part C, it wants the probability that a randomly selected student has at least one school-related activity. So, at the very least is 1. So it can be 1, but that's the least it could be. So it could be 2, 3, 4. If I say you got at least one Christmas present, you could have more, but you have at the very least 1. So in symbols, I could say greater than or equal to 1. Or I could just say it's some number that's not 0. It's greater than 0. You didn't get 0 Christmas presents. So I could sum all those yellow probabilities, but it is so much quicker just to say the complement of it actually being 0. Oh, that should be the probability. My notation's off. Hold on. Let me do it correctly. The complement of the probability that x is 0. Extra set of parentheses that I didn't need. However, when I take 1 minus that 34% chance of getting a 0, I get 66%.